Hello, and welcome to the brief for the Foreign Criminal Justice System of India. Today, I will be discussing with you several topics. They include the laws that govern foreign activities in India, the type of police forces that protect the country, the court systems for the citizens of India, and the prison system if you were convicted of a crime here in India. The Indian criminal laws are divided into three categories. These are the Indian Penal Code of 1860, which defines the duties and rights of the citizens, the Code of Criminal Procedure, which defines the rules and the laws that can be enforced, and the Indian Evidence Act. The Indian Constitution contains various laws and regulations under the Foreign Act of 1946. These acts govern foreign activities in the country. Some of the limitations that are brought by the act is that foreigners cannot buy or sell immovable or permanent property. Again, sole proprietorship are not allowed for foreigners in India. The police force responsible for protecting the country is the Indian Armed Forces, the military forces of the Indian Republic. The various service branches of the service are the Indian Army, the Navy, and the Air Force. Notably, the Indian Police Service, or the IPS, is also responsible for protecting the country's territories, and these are controlled by the central government of India. The Indian Constitution gives the IPS, the Indian Police Services, responsibility to maintain law and order. Further, the IPS is responsible for protecting the state's territories and making arrests to citizens as well as foreigners who break the law or cause some form of insecurity. The central government of India is also given powers by the Constitution to participate in activities that help to maintain the Indian police services and keep the body in order. The officers are recruited by the Union Public Service Commission through a nationwide public examination. The court systems for citizens of India starts with the case filing as the first process of the court system. This is the registry that is headed by a registrar who receives the cases and records them in the court registry. The writ of the summoning follows next, and this is issued to the opposing side, requiring them to present themselves and file a response to the application filed at the registry pleading against them. Pre-admission hearing is the next step in the system, and this stage contains the appeals and writ petitions. The arguments are then presented, and the representing parties convince the courts that the case presented is valid. Next is the admission stage, and this involves admitting or dismissal of the cases filed. Final hearing and judgment decree follow these, and these are the final steps of the court system in India. Similar rights are applied to the United States citizens, and some of these similar rights are the right to a fair trial, the right to hire a criminal lawyer, the right to get bail, and the right to a free legal aid. After a person has been convicted of a crime, they will be assigned to various sections of the prison according to the type of crime that have been committed. Criminal prisoners are those that are duly committed to the custody under a writ or warrant. Other prisoners are considered civil prisoners. This concludes my foreign brief for India.